Welcome back, beautiful and amazing hikers. Well, here we are at Trail Daze, and I'm on my new GoPro 10, which I just got from Best Buy. The 8 has failed, had audio problems. You've seen it in the previous videos, and well, so it is what it is. I had to get a new one. I had a protection plan on the 8. I just can't remember where the fuck I bought it. Now, well, I had packed that information and the warranty stuff inside my bounce box, which was lost in Georgia. Alright, anyways, that being said, check it out. We're having a great time. So, me and Adam came in, set up the teepee over here, and then these dudes just said, hey, we're gonna put up this massive tarp above you. And it's supposed to like rain all 3 days of Trail Days, so okay, we're fine, we're good, we'll be doing good. You also got to look at this. All right, there's poison ivy out here everywhere. Look at the size of this stuff. Holy crap. Yeah, as they were hanging this tarp, I'm like, you know that's poison ivy. Some people are immune. Supposedly, the term is atopic. All right, so that means every time I get it worse, you know. And oh boy, so I avoid that stuff like the plague. Well, anyhow, the next time somebody tells you the end is near, you tell them, hiker mage Jay Curran, he saw it. It's right there. The end is near, and there it is. The end. Actually, it's just the end of the campground. We're on the other side of the big drum circle. This is nuts. It's probably the most ghetto tarp setup yet. Don't worry, when it starts raining, this is gonna get interesting. That's when I'm gonna put on the Star Wars Cantina music, you know. As they're running around trying to fix the damn thing in the rain, it's pouring down and everybody's getting soaked and cold. Then it's gonna be really funny. Anyways, whatever happens, we'll make it work. We will survive. I don't think that was that wise, because the police walk through here on a regular basis on patrol, and well, if they didn't know where the party's at, now they know. I could have said anything. Oh boy. But yeah, this is exactly where we set up back in 23. We had the tent over there where those other 2 tents are set up at, and wanted to do a lot of tarot readings. I only did 3 tarot readings. I should have advertised more, you know, but I wasn't on the trail in 23. We just came for the celebration. Now I'm on the trail for 24, you know. So here we are. That's the video update. We'll show you more Trail Days as the days progress over here. This is just a awesome party. And oh boy, we're just at the beginning. Here we go.